They're really doing this?
She's throwing it to Michelle. Michelle catches the flowers. You get married next. Your life's all set.
And I grew up wondering if I would be able to stand in front of someone and promise her the rest of my life. And here we are.
It was a reflex action.
It was the most awful moment in the whole history of women being stuck with you idiots. You've got one day to tell me we're on the road to somewhere.
I'm naked under this.
What are we doing here?
I'm underdressed.
I could be asking these same questions at home with my wife.
You walk out that door, I'm gonna figure out how to kill you and get away with it.
I really can't do this if there's a ring on my finger. That's how it's done?
Those are professionals. The symbol of our love. This ring means commitment. Where the hell's a ring?
Yeah.
Mom.
Honey.
Michelle wants to marry me. She wants me to be happy with her in the future.
I think that sounds romantic.
I think it's science fiction.
So, why haven't we met these people?
Our kid sleeps with their kid. Doesn't that entitle us to a dinner?
My parents want to have you guys over.
Absolutely not.
Why don't you want to meet these people?
What could we possibly have in common?
Mother? Yeah!
It is so nice to finally meet you.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Dad?
He's outside?
Sorry, I'm a little late.
Hey,
You can't kill me now. I got company.
guess what? I'm the company. That's my son, Alan, who's with your wife holding your daughter.
Would anyone care for a drink?
Yes!
What about the day that we don't remember we gave each other the best parts of our lives?
We did this to them?
Mostly you. Are you in love with my wife? No! Damn it.
How do I know if I love her?
You would ask yourself the only question that matters. Does this girl carry within her the potential to suck out your soul like a Nosferatu?
No.
Then go forward, my son.